This hasn't changed for about an hour. Oh, it is recording, it's just the lights don't come on anymore. Anyway, yes, it is working. Day of heaven for me. We're going to McDonald's and then Walmart, and then later we're going on a boat. So I don't get much better than that. What is?
That RV is like
Oh my god, £9.5 grand, we can go and cook some meth. Not literally, of course.
Yeah, but that's amazing, it's like the actual one.
It is the RV from Breaking Bad. We're not having McDonald's breakfast anymore.
Oh, I thought you hadn't decided.
I thought we were going Walmart first, sorry. Do you want to go there now?
What do you want to do?
Oh, we're going to be less than an hour.
No, let's go there now. Otherwise John will be a very upset person.
Okay.
I've been putting my bras on the film.
You're going in anyway. Somehow we managed to veer off list yet again, and I've managed to get a couple more shirts, some new bandanas, and a new wallet. Sorry. Is that a baby turkey? It's a young turkey. So
Yeah, but it's only tenner.
so it's only little.
Oh,
Jesus! That's a big ass turkey. So you stack. This is how you stack your soft drinks for Thanksgiving even. Successful shopping trip. Again. Yeah, I've got a new shirt out of it. It's very reasonable. New bandana out of it. Also very reasonable. Got a new wallet as well. Oh, hopefully soon we're going on the boat. It's a beautiful day. Today has been the hottest day. Don't know what it is temperature wise, but it's been stunning. And we are going out on the boat at the end. What time is it? It's midday. It's midday. We are heading out on the boat soon, I hope. Very soon.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love.
Right, so the boat is prepared. It has been lowered out of its berth, put over here. Me and Dave put fuel in it. Just about ready to go. We've got to load it up, sort out the canopy, although I think we're doing that when we're out there. Put some food on it, some drink on it, we're ready to go.
Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone.
Finally got out on the boat. I have my pasty whiteness out to try and turn it into something other than that. This is what I'm talking about. This is heaven. This will do. Can we stay here?
no, don't film.
Forever.
Can we stay here forever?
Yeah.
You want to pay?
No, you're right. But it'll do for now, for the next week or so.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And don't know when I call my babe. And don't know when I call my babe. And don't know when I call my babe. And don't know when I call my babe.
There you go, we're back. That was exciting. Good fun, man. That's
Oh,
what.
look, Mr. Egret thinks he's getting a fish.
Mr. Egret ain't getting nothing. Where's he gone?
He's there. He's over there.
Oh. Hey, buddy.
He's getting some fish stuff.
Yeah, that's what I remember Florida to be out on the boat. Lovely weather. It's easy, isn't it? It's easy life. Right, now. Oh, wrong password. Now we are in dire straits because we are running out of e-juice for our vapings. Because we had planned to bring more, but there was a bit of a snafu with the order that we ordered before we came. And we didn't expect the stuff we've ordered since we've been here to take so long, so we're practically run out of e-juice. Now we've got to find a vape shop locally where we can go and get some. So a bit of Google foo, and hopefully we'll be alright. Otherwise, I ain't smoking. For dinner this evening, we should be having rotisserie chicken. Mmm.
Oh, can I take two out here?
Dave's.
Oh, I think I can.
Oh. Ah, we got juice. Fantastic little e-cig depot in Edgewater. If you're out this way, check them out. The guy's really friendly. He's really cool, actually. Check out these sick trucks. Look at that. These are amazing. This one's for sale. $6 grand. Man, I love stuff like that. And look at that. Look at that old Dodge milk float thingy. Look at this. I have no idea what this is even made by. It looks sick. Don't it look sick? That is the coolest stuff I've seen since I've been here. Just want to make sure that this truck has got enough wheels on it. There you go. Check out the wheels. You've got wheels for days. It's a proper school bus. Right, it's Friday, which is juice review time. Unfortunately, we found a local vape shop because we were running out of juice. But we found a local vape shop and we've been down there, and without even trying any, we bought some juice. So this, I'm struggling to get the wrapper off, but anyway, I'll show you. It is Uncle Junk Fog Cabin. Now I believe the profile, the flavour profile for this was a lemonade of some description.
Berry lemonade.
Berry lemonade. I'm having a mare. That's what's happening today. Pete asked about, in the comments for the previous video I think, he asked about what am I going to do for Cockney phrase of the week. Am I going to do an American phrase of the week? They don't really have phrases, and we don't know a lot of Americans. There's a few that I could ask, but we haven't seen a single one today. I might.
Mum can do you an American phrase.
I doubt it.
What's he bitching about now?
So yeah, we haven't got a Cockney phrase of the week, but I will try and find someone who can give us an American phrase of the week. We'll try, Pete, just for you. Oh, God. Right, so you have to bear with me while I juice it up. It smells pretty cool. It's Friday, Dave, in case you were wondering what I was talking about.
Berry lemonade.
It's Friday, we normally do a juice review on a Friday.
Oh, that's nice.
It smells amazing. Are you wicked
Really
and
nice.
Are you... Lucy's not messing about. She's wicked, juiced vapours straight away.
Socket.
Right, I think we're in. Right,
Oh.
we are wicked, we are juiced,
Oh, it's good lemonade.
and as Mr. Green would say, so I've just stolen part of your review there, mate. Vapours. Right. That's very, very good.
That's good, isn't it?
That is very, very good. There you go, Uncle Junk's Fog Cabin. Get me out of there. There
Won't
you
find
go.
this at home, which is annoying.
Yeah, we won't. Blue Fog, this one's called. Berry Lemonade, very, very good. I've got a Uncle Junk's Betty White as well, which is apple and pomegranate fusion apparently, and also Keystone, which is key lime pie. So there'll be another review next week of at least one of those. Damn, I'm so glad we found juice.
That's nice.
this is all we had left. It's going to take some judicious editing. Oh God. This is all we had left. That much Tiger Fire, which is fantastic, as I have said in a previous review, but I have sort of an update, if you like. It's not kind to your coils or your wick. It ruins it. So I'm glad to be not vaping that anymore. So there you go. That's today's juice review. Talk about getting your ass handed to you at Domino's. I got battered. Who won, Luz?
Me!
Yeah,
the lowest score in the book.
The lowest score. Is it the lowest score in the book? Oh my God, in a boat. Right, Lucy won the Domino's. There you go. I've got nothing to say. I came dead last. But I was by no means
You were schooled.
the highest score in the book. So I was schooled. Thanks for watching, and remember. Yeah, remember, look up a bloody thing to say at the end of it, you dumbass. Ooh. Oh, I like that one. I'm going to need to take it with me to remember it. Where am I? Count your age by friends, not years. Count your life by smiles, not tears.
And I know when I hold my babe. And I know when I